if you've been looking for a vocal chain without AutoTune on my channel, this is probably the second one. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? But if you want AutoTune, you can add it to it. Don't really make a difference. And for every like this video gets, my dreads grow back faster. So like the video. We got Isaiah Rashad and May type beat. So it's like a low-key chill rap beat in here. Noisy made the beat. So go find the beat. You see the name up there, you know, all that. So here we go. The vocal chain is very simple. There's no AutoTune here, as you see, and then if I open a console, you would notice that there is no AutoTune within my console. Everything is off inside my console. There's nothing going on in the console, no AutoTune anywhere. So when I go back at the FL Studio, we see what we got. First up is the Neve 1073. We see the settings are at 30. This EQ is default. This one is subtracted just a little bit. This is subtracted a little bit. I'm rolling off around 80 right here. Then we got that run into a pool tech. I just chose a random preset in here, electric guitar bite. So it just sounds good. So this is what happens if I turn the EQ off. All right, turn it back on. You hear how that just adds more weight to my vocal. Then we got the distressor, all right? Never used the distressor that much on the channel, so today's the day. So we chose a preset that I made in here. It's called the Neve's Best Friend. So I paired it with the Neve 1073. So if I turn this off, this is what we do. So you hear how we just lose a lot of volume. We lose a lot of weight. We lose a lot when we turn the distressor off. I turn it back on, we get more of that. And then when we see with the distressor, you see our levels, we're not really like going too crazy over here with these levels. So that's a good sign. And then I got a de-esser on here just to catch those S's. You know what I'm talking about? Those are the plugins that I'm recording with. And then for the reverb, we have the simple Lexicon 2224 and the default preset on here. And we're not going to have that much reverb on the vocal because we're not being uber melodic. We're not using AutoTune. We're not trying to get all of that emotion out. When recording like vocals, when there's no AutoTune, you want to be able to get in your bag, right? You want to be able to like have fun, right? So that's what we're doing. So don't expect me to sit here and come out with some crazy bars. I'm not writing nothing down, right? You know this drill. So let's just see what it sounds like. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? No, you love. Let's see. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I need. How you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. You know I don't. How you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't wanna fall in love easy. How you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, baby. I don't. How you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love. To be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love. To be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love. Unless you codeine, my love. I don't really fall in love. To be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love. Unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about? I got something in here like the White House. Fuck what you talking about, my love. Fuck what you talking about. Got most of my love. Fuck what you talking about. Got most of my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than a Waffle House. Fuck what you talking about. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than a Waffle House. What you talking about, baby? Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than a Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than a Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Shot ain't even wild. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than a Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Living like fat, baby. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Alright, so like we just leave it like that, right? And so like when we recording them, now we can come in and just add like different things. So like check it. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. So like doing little stats like that, right? So what's that? Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. So like it's just something that is like I'm not even trying, but it's like you see the vocals consistent, the punches consistent, and it's just overall good vocal takes. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Yeah, pretty brown skin girl, how you doing? What's your name? Where you from? You look like the type of girl I need to be the one. I don't fall in love easy at all, my love, unless you codeine, my love. Fuck what you talking about. More syrup than the Waffle House. Can't put the cup down. Yeah, it's simple. It's nothing too crazy though. It's just a simple vocal chain. It's like auto-tune, it's like you can still make things sound good because it's all in the performance. It's nothing else other than your performance, how you record the vocals. But it's like, yes, you gotta write lyrics that make sense. Yes, you gotta make songs that make sense. Yes, you gotta be on point with your punches. Yes, you gotta be on point with your delivery. Yes, you have to be an artist when you're in front of a microphone. Yes, all of that matters. I'm not just sitting here saying like AutoTune is the thing that's just gonna save you, because it's not. I just love AutoTune. I love it. I love it. I love it. I use it all the time. I just prefer to use it. You know what I'm saying? It's like there was a time before I even knew what AutoTune was, and I was still doing this. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing like I just absolutely need AutoTune. It's like I can get the shit off without AutoTune. You know what I'm saying? But this is just simple vocal chains. Simple. You can recreate this chain with whatever plugin you want, because you can get the Distressor plugin anywhere. Slate Digital has it. A lot of other people got their own version of it, or you could just use 1176 or a 2A, whatever compressor. Don't really matter. You can use whatever preamp you want to use. It don't really matter, because a lot of people put too much into like I gotta have the same settings, the exact settings, and it's like, bro, it don't matter. It don't matter. I just chose random settings on here and recorded with it on the spot so y'all could see. You know what I'm saying? It's like, don't overthink it, bro. Like, that's the thing. People keep overthinking.